Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 335D M Sport Saloon. So as you can see, this vehicle is not only a 335D M Sport, it comes presented with the full M3 exterior package. So this vehicle has been brought into us as it appears. However, we've had the Your Next Car exterior styling team take a look at the vehicle to make sure it's been carried out to an extremely high level, and they certainly agree it looks fantastic and has been carried out to that extremely high level. So we'll begin with a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk to you some of the features and options, and of course there's additional add-ons. And after we finish that, I'm going to take a walk around to inside the vehicle. I will show you around some of the major talking points on the interior, and of course I'll go into a bit more detail there as well. So at the front of the vehicle, of course, we have the fantastic black sapphire metallic BMW M3 front bumper, including all of those fantastic brake air duct aero canyard parts, as you can see there down at the front. Alongside that, the vehicle comes equipped with the BMW LED headlamps. The front number plate has also been shortened down to size, again all in the aid of just giving it that little bit of individuality. We also have the gloss black kidney grills. The vehicle has, once again, to really aid in all of that styling, to give it the most official look of an M3, the M3 alloy wheels, which, as you can see there, come all the way around with Bridgestone run flat tyres, and they look fantastic against that black sapphire metallic. Moving down the side of the car, we have the vehicle comes equipped with privacy glass. Alongside that, we have the fantastic carbon fibre M3 mirrors, and of course, once again, they're all aided and shaped in the form for aerodynamic purposes. Inside the vehicle, we have the black Dakota leather, which in the front has the electric lumbar adjustment. And you'll also see the interior trim is the aluminum hexagon and Exteior blue. And of course we'll get on to further details regarding the interior very shortly. In the rear, you still maintain the Isofix rear bench, centre folding armrests, and of course, being an M Sport model, we still have the lovely black headlining as well. Once again, we'll take a look at these 19-inch alloy wheels, which, as you can see, come finished in the original jet black bi-orbit finish. Moving towards the rear of the car, again another feature that the previous owner had done was the darkened rear lights. Do apologise about the background noise. These also had a full exhaust conversion, including a M3 style rear back box conversion, and that includes the lovely carbon fibre diffuser, as you can see there. Again, this exhaust is merely carried out for the aesthetics as opposed to any performance or noise upgrades, which I will demonstrate towards the end of the video. Opening up the boot, I'll allow you to take a look at just how large the boot and luggage capacity is on the 3 Series. And of course there is that slight bit of underfloor storage and storage to the left and right hand sides. Moving towards the other side of the car, we'll be able to take a look at just how well this vehicle is presented with all of that lovely M3 styling. And of course not forgetting the M3 rear bumper overlaying that fantastic diffuser. Once again, showing you off the fantastic M3 alloy wheels, and as you can see there, once again, we have the Bridgestone run flats. At the front of the car, before I head on inside, I do want to mention that the vehicle has also been upgraded with the M Sport Plus front brakes. This is noticeably different from the normal ones because we have got this aluminum top hat here. So again, to really help aid in that fantastic look of the car, we've got the bigger front brakes. The vehicle has also been professionally lowered to give it that authentic stance of the vehicle. Moving on inside the car, we'll go through some of the interior features and details. So of course the 335Ds all come with the 8-speed Sports Auto. We've got the flappy paddle gearbox here and over here, of course. Front and rear parking sensors, which once again have all been retained, even though we have got, of course, those swapped out bumpers. Satellite navigation, we've got Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs. The vehicle has only covered just over 27,000 miles, so it is a nice low mileage example. And we have got some BMW service history on board the vehicle as well. And of course we'll have a look at all of the service requirements as per usual. As you can see there, the vehicle's not due a service for 18,000 miles. And if we go up to the service history, we can see there is 2 services from BMW currently on the screen. So as always guys, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. And of course, let us know down below in the comments what you do think about this. It is something we have thought about doing ourselves for quite some time. about converting some vehicles to the full M3 look. But as I mentioned, this one has come into us as it looks, and we think it looks absolutely fantastic. And of course, if you are looking to purchase this vehicle, down below in the description will be all the contact information you regard, and of course a link to our website where you can find further information regarding prices and finance options for this absolutely superb looking vehicle. Thanks for watching, take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, goodbye.